From first inquiry to final touch, Grasshopper Services prides itself on a professional, dedicated service that has seen it become a leading ground facility company. Once your call is received, Grasshopper Services provides a complimentary consultation where one of our trained representatives will visit and assess the task at hand, be it tree surgery, interior, or ground maintenance. Once the spec is decided, Grasshopper Services will provide a competitive quote that outlines the scope of the project, resources to be provided, and once agreed, your job is in safe hands with one of our fully trained crews. So your job gets done on budget and on time. Central to Grasshopper Services is its focus on efficiency, reliability, and health and safety. From interior plant maintenance to landscaping, tree surgery and ground management, Grasshopper Services has the personnel and professionalism to bring your surroundings to life, both inside and out. Our ethos is first safety, second nature.